Got him. You probably don't eat the legs, but in this sort of survival situation, it's all calories, isn't it? Even wood is calories. So it's all going in. Crickets aren't the worst things to eat raw. There's a kind of little pop, a sort of soft belly, and a body full of cooling goo. From memory, crickets have got about 80% protein. Better without the wings, if I'm honest. It's just free food. And I'd be crazy to pass it up. Another one. Nice big one. Whole thing in. Right. Got the leg stuck in my throat. That's not bad, is it? Almost classes as a dinner, that.